is snowing. Poor little plant over there dying, but just a nice little, and it's still coming down. It's supposed to rain like pretty much all day today. So super excited. Just a little glimpse of the room. Y'all ain't, I'm about to be in my life. Hour later check-in. It's an hour later check-in. Ooh, it's getting the air. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna check back in another hour and see. But the snow is definitely coming down like thick. It's coming down thick. So, yay. Snow day from my room. I'm so happy about this. They know better over there. Why they ain't put their windshield thing up? Their wind wipers up. Why they ain't put their wind wipers up? They from home over there. They should have did that. They gonna learn today. Oh, look at my little palm tree. They over there cut it up. It's not as beautiful as it used to be. But it's alright. Alright, y'all. So cute. Is this ice though? Nay. Yeah, it's snow. It's real snow. Oh, it's coming down again. Snow day. Let me flip it. Now video. Georgia boy ain't never seen no snow before.
Man, I've been in snow. You ain't been in snow.
Fake one be from DC, but not. Your birth certificate say Georgia. Feel me making the snow.
Okay.
I do not have gloves. I can't find my gloves.
I left mine in the car.
Huh?
I left my gloves in the car. I ain't get the snowball.
Ready?
No. No, do it again. I didn't. Okay.
You're a hater. You making me do it on purpose, huh?
No, go.
What's a good one? Oh, I don't have no gloves. Oh, what's the next right there? Ooh.
I keep playing.
It's a whole nothing my cherry blossom. Huh. See him. He can't get up his driveway, y'all.
Yeah, we got hill highway. Driveway too. We got.
Look. Dang, I ain't get him when he was spinning though.